Chef Billy Parisi here with Heinen's, and I'm going to make a game changer for you, my friends, reverse seared steak. We are going to start off with two 12 to 14 ounce ribeye steaks. You could use sirloin, New York strips, or filet mignon in this recipe. What we want to do, though, is generously season them on both sides with salt and pepper. Meat loves salt and pepper, so again, please be generous when doing this, but also salt and pepper to taste. Once they are seasoned, we are going to add them on a sheet tray lined with parchment paper and also has a rack in it. We're going in the oven at 225 degrees. It's going to take about an hour for it to cook. Now, while you're waiting in a medium-sized bowl, I've got some softened unsalted butter. I'm going to add in some BelGioioso creamy Gorgonzola cheese. This stuff, my friends, is amazing. Perfect in this butter, would go great on a bunch of other recipes. In addition, we're going to add some chives, season it up with salt and pepper. Then using a whisk or a spoon, mix all of the ingredients together. The butter should easily mix in with the blue cheese. Set it to the side. Once the steaks are done, they're going to be about 100 to 110 degrees internally. You want to go about 15 to 20 degrees less from what you like it finally cooked. I like medium rare, which is about 125 to 130, so we're perfect. We're going to add it to a large frying pan with olive oil over high heat. Add in some garlic cloves, fresh thyme sprigs, and a little bit of unsalted butter. It's only going to cook for maybe 3 to 4 minutes before we give it a nice flip. You can see they are perfectly golden brown. Just going to cook for another minute or two. Once it is done, I'm going to serve it up with some baked potatoes and roasted garlic because why not? Finish it off with a little bit of creamy Gorgonzola butter and you've got yourself one fantastic meal.